Today I'm going to share some tips and tricks for playing the jigsaw puzzle from the easy level to the hard level. Are you ready? Let's go! Firstly, let's talk about the jigsaw puzzle. Some people wondering what is the jigsaw puzzle and what are types of the jigsaw puzzle. The jigsaw puzzle is the picture taken apart and then swap out the picture fragment. Finally, assembled into the game known as the jigsaw puzzle. The puzzle has different levels of difficulty. It may be difficult to number parts of a picture or difficult to shape exotic and unfamiliar puzzles. Today, I am going to share a few tricks in playing the jigsaw puzzle that can be used with all difficulty level. The technique has 3 steps. The first trick: always look at the prototype image or continue with a puzzle on the prototype image. The second trick: choose a puzzle with only the edge of the image to be assembled first. The last trick: divide the color and pattern of the puzzle and assemble them in the same. May not seem illustration, right? Today I am going to demonstrate how to use this technique using smartphone application jigsaw puzzle, which are of course extremely portable and easy to understand. Let's see a video demonstration. After we watch this video demonstration, it can be noted that using technique makes it more convenient and quicker. It also does not make jigsaw puzzle become boring and confusing. Of course, these techniques are also applicable to puzzle from easy level to the hard level. Question before of the end of the clip. I would like to know if you have any tips and tricks for jigsaw puzzle. If so, Leave the comment under the clip and share information. I will read every message. Have fun for jigsaw puzzle.